So I have created a file named welcome.txt, which contains the text, "Hey there, welcome to my channel." I have also created a C file named welcome.c, in which we will write our code. But before writing the code, let's have a quick look on the steps that we will follow. 1. Creating a file pointer. 2. Opening the file. 3. Creating a character array. 4. Copying the text of the file in the array. 5. Printing the array. Let's go.